You got the left glove ring seated?
Yeah, feels solid.
Hold.
Fuel line land latch, pressure stable.
Copy.
Touchdown window in 6. All right. Aristarchus in sight. Contact light. Down.
Module 2 pressure check is nominal.
Copy that. Heading to the drill site.
Visor glare is sharp. Sun's brutal today.
Yeah, keep your head down on the ridge.
Skylight marker set. Shelter route stays clear. Copy. Keep the rim distance. Haulers are live.
All right, let's keep dust down.
Heading to the pyroclastic edge feels smoother than yesterday.
All right, sealed all the way. Let's keep it clean. Okay, line it up. Latch, quarter turn, seated. Dust gets everywhere if we slip. Keep it in the shade line. That's the right layer. Look at the sheen.
Charge curve looks steady. Nice, keep it there. Gentle, don't loft it.
Yeah, got it.
Trap temp stable.
Good, let's keep it boring.
That's the real win. OC-teen from dirt.
I'll take breathable dirt any day.
We keep the fines contained. Separator's running clean.
Nice, keep it that way.
Berm height meets spec.
Good, good.
Keep it even.
Everything tastes like metal in here. Better than dust, though.
Tread is holding, no cuts.
Hold the boom steady, we're drifting slightly starboard.
Correcting. Stand by for clamp engagement.
Yeah, I'm not trying to snap it, just nudge.
Lights stay white, no warm cast.
Good. I hate that orange glow look. Makes everything feel fake.
Feels colder than yesterday, huh?
We're bridging. Start the shaker.
Keep distance, don't drive through that plume.
Slow strokes, don't grind it in.
Ping registered, everyone's fine.
Solar activity trending up. Prep shelter route.
All right, same drill as practice? Yeah, let's just get comfy. Okay, back to it.
Yeah, look at that. That's the stream we needed.
All right, waste turns into walls. I'll take it.
Cart spacing, 10 meters.
Hands feel like clubs.
Cargo Birdle's here.
Next load in 8 hours.
Let's keep the pad clean this time.
Hard dock confirmed.
All right, nice.
Day cycle again, let's run hot.
Copy. Same lanes, same spacing.
Tag it, could be a pocket.
Yeah, stick it in the next batch log.
No shock, keep it gentle.
Yeah, nice and steady.
Five-minute break after this.
Please, my legs are done.
Wheel torque spike, shutting down.
Feels like bearing drag.
Swap cartridge. Don't clean in place.
Okay.
Power test, stand clear.
Back in business.
Yeah, finally.
Send it. Send.